what would be your most important advice to a family who are planning their wedding of their children, of their...
I think it's since we have been focusing on entertainment and entertainment design. I'll give you just my quick suggestion. I think to any family is uh, when you start off on the journey of deciding your destination and then zeroing down. For me, destination is also equal to the hotel that you're closing. Before that, you must be able to come to consensus that what is it that you want as a focal point. Do you want the focal to be a name that has performed at your wedding? Do you want the focal point to be the decor? Or do you want the focal point to be how you greeted and ushered the guests to their rooms, to what did you do at the airport? Once you have that, any one of them is also enough to make your wedding remarkable. Obviously, equal attention given to all other departments, but one is your focal point that you know that's my star. And then please involve professionals at the right time. Don't go and zero in on a hotel and then call in the planner and then tell him, मुझे इस type का show करना है, because अगर वो lawn में space ही नहीं है, how are you going to get the grandeur? If that venue is not available to you 2 days before to do a setup, you will not get that big decor. So a lot of decisions can be taken rightly if you involve the professionals at the right time, and I think that can just change the story.
These guys are professionals for a reason.
Yeah, and taking them at the right time. So
Yes.
everyone takes the professionals. Today, I
Yeah.
don't see anyone doing a wedding without a professional. But वो कौन सी stage
Timing.
पर उनको लाना है? Like I end up going for recce's now as a show director. I'm not called in at the last moment after everything is closed. They actually take me for a venue recce before they pay up to the venue to understand if I can do what I'm selling to them.
Yeah, yeah.
So at the right time is really the
It
game
is not.
changer.
It is no less than making a cinema.
Oh yeah,
Like
yeah,
a film,
it's
a
movie.
movie.
It's a movie. It's a movie.
It's like you have to take in account, and also at the same time, your audience.
Yeah.
Feedback is immediate. It's not like the movie is going to release and you're going to get your feedback. You're
Yeah.
going to get it that very moment.